This cannoli cream dip makes for an easy and delicious dessert. Using a hand mixer, beat together ricotta and cream cheese until smooth. Then, add powdered sugar and mix until well combined. Add in the vanilla extract and beat for an additional 30 seconds. Fold in mini chocolate chips. Serve immediately with broken waffle cone pieces for dipping. To serve dip in waffle cones, melt 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips in a small bowl. Dip cones into the chocolate and twist to make sure all the top is evenly covered in the chocolate. Place cones in the freezer for 5 minutes. When the chocolate is hardened, fill the cones with cannoli dip and serve.